The 2018 Toyota Prius doesn't organize execution. Yesterday's news: a 2018 Toyota Prius is neither quick nor amusing to drive. Execution was never the point in any case. Crossover is the name, productivity is the diversion. Beginning from a normal score of 5, the Prius increases 1 on an agreeable ride, however loses 1 for a pokey motor, another for a pokey transmission, and another for a directing vibe like a limp handshake. It gets a 3 out of 10. We're not bearish overall bundle, truly. The new Prius is lower, longer, and more extensive than the old model, which helps out with vision and to bring down the focal point of gravity for a more home drive. The Prius is as yet fueled by a 1.8-liter inline-4 that makes 95 torque and 53 kW electric engine for a joint yield of 121 horsepower. That is matched to a persistent leaf-factor transmission that organizes proficiency above fun, which bodes well given the application. Out of the blue, 2 distinctive battery packs are offered in the Prius. The Prius 2 Eco utilizes a 1.2 kWh nickel metal hydride pack that has been utilized as a part of different stages of the Prius. Each and every other Prius utilizes a 0.75 kWh lithium particle pack that highlights a lighter, more smaller unit that viably utilizes a greater amount of its charge. The Prius is based on Toyota's most up-to-date stage and advantages from a more unbending casing. It does not have the floppiness from past possessed, yet its guiding feel is to a great extent without any enthusiasm for the driver. The braking, regenerative to grinding, is genuinely consistent and sure.